Good morning, everyone. I've just woken up. It's 8:30. I've had so much sleep. I still don't feel much better. This tonsillitis is genuinely killing me off. No, I'm being really dramatic. It's not that bad. It's Sunday today, so I feel like we're gonna let the Sunday reset vibes kind of work their magic. So I need to take some medicine first thing, and then I need to sort out sort out all the stuff all over the floor, and then all the food all over my desk, which I've just left. Yes, I know it's really gross, but I was just not feeling up to sorting everything out last night. So I'm going to do that first thing this morning, and then hopefully once I've tidied up my room, this will get me in a good mindset to get on and get things done. And then I'm going to head down to the library, I think, today, or I might go to another building at uni, but I think I just need to get away from my accommodation, because I think I said this in the video that I filmed yesterday, but separating uni and home for me is really important for me to remain productive at uni and then be able to actually chill out at home. I'll talk to you in a minute about where we're up to with my projects that I'm supposed to be doing, my assignments that I've got to do, and also where we're up to with other stuff that I'm meant to be doing on the side, so like YouTube videos, emails, Quizlet, all this other fun stuff that needs to be done as well that isn't actually set work. But yeah, I'll catch you up with that in a minute. So Hannah normally cleans once a week for us, or actually no, she does it more frequently than that. I think she does twice a week. Anyway, we have this little selection of cleaning supplies. Also, I have no idea what I'm doing with all these cleaning products. I just follow the instructions on the back and hope for the best. Today I'm having the same breakfast I have every single day, which is a bit of a fad at the moment that I really like. These are just plain rice cakes, and then I get a banana from dinner downstairs the night before because we can get up to 2 pieces of fruit. I know, they really do treat us here. And I'm gonna put this banana, I'm gonna mash it up on top of a rice cake. It tastes quite plain, but I quite like plain breakfast, to be honest. And then I also bought for lunch today from Lidl yesterday. I got this duck and chicken sushi, which I've had before and it's really nice. And then I've got an orange, so I'm gonna have that for my lunch. And then probably a Pret smoothie, Pret hot chocolate, Pret peppermint tea, because you may as well. Although it's Sunday, so I don't know where the Prets are that are gonna be open. I'll have to have a look on my way down to uni. Hannah's here on my laptop. So I was just having my breakfast. I was gonna read my book. I literally brought my Kindle over and then Hannah FaceTimed me, so I haven't ended up doing that. On Wednesday, we've got hockey socials. Both Hannah and I are social members of hockey, which means we don't play hockey. We just go to all the socials because the people are really nice. So we decided to join. We did actually play hockey once, and both decided that we weren't cut out for hockey.
We played on the Olympic pitch. It's quite flat.
We did play on the Olympic pitch, yeah, because that's where they train in London. Anyway, decided we weren't cut out for hockey, so we've joined as social members. And on Wednesday, basically every week we have socials and they're themed. So last week was school themed, so we had to dress up like our old school selves, which was quite fun. And this week is tacky shirts. So we're trying to work out how we're gonna get hold of tacky shirts, because obviously you'd go for a Hawaiian shirt, horrendous Hawaiian shirds, but they're not in stock at the moment because it's November. So trying to get hold of those has been a bit of a challenge. When's your LSE Life session?
Friday.
Okay. Do you want to explain what LSE Life is?
I don't know what it is.
No, it's a little bit complicated. It's basically like a service. It's not a careers service. It's kind of academic support service. I think that's probably the best way of putting it. So they run workshops like how to get the most out of your reading in second year, for example. So the reason that Hannah's booking an appointment is because she's applying for a year abroad, and the year abroad scheme at LSE is
it's all right. It doesn't offer many places, that's the only thing. So it's like highly competitive. Anyway, she's applied for the year abroad scheme, and as part of your application process, you're entitled to 3 sessions with LSE Live to try and support you through it, to try and like make you the best candidate for the application. And so that's why Hannah's going on Friday. But before then, I don't think either of us have really utilised the service, which probably makes us quite poor LSE students for that.
It's quite booked up.
It is quite, yeah, it's quite a busy service.
It's really popular.
I think I've shown it in other videos, but it's like as you walk into the library, they have like their base there. So the year abroad scheme, there's 4, I think now, that you can do a year abroad at, 4 universities. It used to only be 2, but I think they've added 2 more in this year. So it's Berkeley in California, correct me if I'm wrong here, Hannah, Sciences Po in Paris. I don't know what the university is called, but there's one in Vienna. It's like a tiny university in Vienna, but that only has a couple of places. And then there's a university in Romania somewhere. Anyway, right, I'm procrastinating by chatting to you and chatting to Hannah. This is even worse than normal. So I'm gonna go and get dressed, and then I think we'll head to the library.
Bye.
Love you lots, bye.
Bye.
And I've just packed up my bag. I need to put in my phone charger, which is just down here. Phone charger, and I also need to pack my tripod. I'm going to deal with the mess later. So my tidying up has not gone particularly well, because all I've done is tidy up the mess and create more. But anyway, we'll sort that out later. And we are ready for uni. Ignore the dirty mirror, but I've got my pink coat on. I've just got this long sleeve top on, my mum jeans and some Air Forces, and it's just a very boring outfit. But hey ho, we're going to the library. That's the more important thing. So let's get going. The main thing I want to get done is I want to get my 2 assignments as ready as they possibly can be, because they're due in on Wednesday and Thursday this week. So I've done the one for Wednesday. I'm happy with that, where that's at. It's over the word count. What can you do? And then the second one is due in on Thursday, and that's the essay plan that I was working on yesterday. So I want to get that pretty much finished, all sugar prepped. And then the other things I've got to do, I have 2 readings and the end of a lecture from last week. I need to write out my work for next week and work out what needs to be done as,
Hello.
do you want to say hello?
I'm Romania.
You're from Romania? Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
You?
I'm from the UK, from Essex.
Sorry?
Essex, from the UK.
Hello?
So yeah, that's what I've got to do. Yeah. And then, edit my YouTube video. That's what needs to happen. I'm going to try and do that today, because I haven't uploaded in like a week and a half now. I'm not going to go to prep today. I know, shocking. Because otherwise I'm going to be so late getting started and everything, and I just won't do it.